Lucy has got the hiccups, as you can see, and keeps waking herself up. Hey puppet. Oh dear. So I think she ate too quickly, didn't you? And then came up and fell asleep, and then proceeded to hiccup. Oh, I think that was your last one. That was your last hiccup. Wow. Can you teach me how to do that, Lucy? Because I can never stop mine forever. Good girl. You're feeling sleepy. Sleepy. And this period of rest will then be followed swiftly half an hour later by a refusal to go out on the lead, and a chance to go to the toilet, probably, despite wanting to probably go where she is, like the corner of the room, or down there on the floor, or behind me on the newspaper. But we will get you into a routine, won't we? Well, we're going to try anyway. Anyway, she's about 13 weeks old. This is Lucy, and she's cute as a button. What have you done? That's better. I can see you now. iPhones are not very good. Well, the old ones aren't. Anyway, this one isn't. There you go. You took your little tail over your nose earlier, didn't you? But she's a poppet. She's a whippet. Cute as a button. And dumb as cheese sometimes as well, depending on what mood you catch her in. I think she's a bit changeable at the moment, to be honest with you. So, oh, big sigh. So yeah, hopefully a lovely temperament, hopefully a good little companion, good little quiet companion. The Olympic Games is not obviously stressing you out too much, it's nuts, but we should turn it down a little bit, shouldn't we? Anyway, so there you go, that's Lucy. And hopefully we'll shoot some more later. Alright? Maybe we'll shoot on a walk or something. Alright. Bye for now. Bye Lucy. Bye bye.